My name is Josh from Specialty Product Sales, and I wanted to share a technique that as a rep I've performed many times to get a pump working again in an older Uniram spray gun washer. Sometimes a tech will call us and say that his pump has quit working or that it's not pumping as well as it used to. If you have moisture or contaminants in your shop air, eventually that can cause a pump failure in the Uniram diaphragm pumps. You may hear it pumping slow or not pumping at all. I'm demonstrating this service on an uninstalled pump, but this procedure can still be done with the pump still in the gun washer. Trace the air hose from each side of the pump in your gun washer. The air outlet should be a short whip line to exhaust the diaphragm pump, and the air inlet can be traced back to a quick connect fitting inside the tank, shown here in a UG 5000W. After you have access to both air lines, use a blowgun with clean shop air and alternate blowing air into the air outlet and air inlet of the pump. If the pump can be saved, this should work within a couple minutes. I hope this service trick helps you out and gets your gun washer pumping again. This trick can give you time to order the replacement pump so your Uniram gun washer will give your guns the cleaning they deserve and help you do your job better.